Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Cheetah Beauty Hair. I'll go more in depth with what they sent to me along with this beautiful wig in the next clip, but for now I'm just going to be showing you guys what I basically did just to prep the hair for installation. I already had plucked it beforehand. I bleached and plucked it, and right now I am just putting 2 braids in the middle part. I couldn't do the braids while the wig was on my head because it wouldn't have done properly. Just because of the way I wanted them to position, it wouldn't be properly done if it was already on my head. So that's why I'm doing it before putting it on my head. So all I did was just part out the sections that I wanted to braid, and then I went in with my wax and some hairspray to kind of mold the hair to get it neat and to get all the flyaways out the way. And then I went ahead and I did inside braids because I wanted it to be flat, and I feel like if I did the braids outside then it wouldn't have looked cute. So yeah, it's nothing out of the ordinary. If you already know how to braid, then you can achieve this style in a 1-2 second. I'm just putting the rest of the hair away because I don't want it to get caught when I'm braiding the hair. So right now all I'm doing is just using my wax stick and the hairspray, and then I'm braiding the hair, and then I will go back to the normal program of installing the hair. A little bit about this hair. This hair was very soft. I can't even lie. The only thing that I did was plucked and bleached it and then washed out the bleach, and the washing that I did was pretty much just washing out the bleach, and the curls were very soft. It wasn't trashy. It wasn't really shedding as much, even though it's a curly hair. You know, you kind of expect curly hair to shed. It wasn't shedding at all. Yeah, I really love this hair quality. It was very good, very soft, and to the point where I didn't even have to define the curls and it still looked cute. You would see what I ended up doing to it. Like, I didn't define the curls, and I loved it because it still gave it like a soft look, and it wasn't dry or anything. Like, big up to Cheetah Beauty Hair, I should say, for this one, because yeah, they really came in clutch. So yeah, now that I've braided the wig, I'm just gonna, go back to normal programming of the installation of the wig. Also, I will be mentioning that the details of the wig will be down in the description box, so don't worry about that. I will be putting that down below. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is another wig install video, and from the previous clips you already know that this video is sponsored by Cheetah Beauty Hair. So they did set me a 24-inch, I think this is deep curly. So this is how the wig is looking. I think it is deep curly. Beautiful curl pattern. The hair is very soft. Love that. The lace was good quality lace. The only thing was probably the knots a little bit, but probably I needed to bleach it a little bit more. But we could work with that. I did go ahead and I did my little 2 braids at the sides, at the middle, in the middle right here, because I'm trying to do something cute. Hopefully it turns out cute. But yeah, so they sent me some goodies as well. They sent me some lashes right here. They sent me some stocking cap. This is a dark color stocking cap, but yeah, this will be good for darker skin tones, especially if you don't know what shade like makeup or whatever you use to blend your client's skin tone or your skin tone. This will be good for a darker skin shade. Like, it will be easier to blend. The lashes and some elastic band to attach to the wig, but I won't be using that. And yeah, they gave me some baby hair combs, but I already have one using, so I won't be using it. So I'm just gonna show you guys how the inside of the wig looks, and I'll also be cutting out the combs. As you already know, I do not keep combs inside my wigs because it's very annoying, and I feel like, I don't know, if you're not using the stocking cap, then it's a good thing to use, but if you're using it, then it doesn't make any sense, because I feel like the combs sometimes get caught on the stocking cap, and yeah, it's just a no for me. So this is how the wig is looking. It's pretty much transparent, very, very transparent, as you can see, and I live for a good transparent or HD lace. It makes your install more flawless and kind of make the process a little bit easier. And the way how you know you have a good lace is when it's very stretchy as well, because you can literally stretch it and place it down on the glue so it melts perfectly. Love that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut out all the combs, and I'm gonna take off this lace thingy at the back because we don't need that. We're not going to use that. But yeah, okay, so I'm also gonna go ahead and spray my lace with the even tinted lace spray in the color light warm brown. I'm also going to try getting like my own lace tints, but I just don't know where, or like, I've been testing out a few, but I feel like I haven't gotten the right one yet, hence why I'm still using the even tinted lace spray. But I feel like I need to get some like the ear spray type of lace tint. I hate the liquid one. Like, I don't think it, I don't know, maybe it's just me, I don't like the liquid one. Yeah, like, you see, like when you're spraying the even tinted lace spray, it's like as soon as you spray it, the lace is tinted, and that's why I love it so much. I just feel like the air spray type of thing is way better. So I don't, maybe I could get like after making them I could do, I don't know, but yeah, I'm trying to come out with some lace tints, but like not liquid. And then I'm going to go in with my, I'm just gonna use the same makeup brush that I use for my stocking cap, and I'm just gonna go in and pretty much just help further blend it out. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I didn't want the curls to be too defined. I wanted to go for like that poofy type of curl, so it's not defined. And look how pretty it is. Like, guys, it's not defined as yet, none of that. Literally just washed it, and this wasn't even like a deep condition washed. It was just me bleaching the hair, and because the bleach is in it, I had to wash the bleach out, and I allowed it to dry, and this is how it came out. Like, it's so cute. I love it. I feel like it's a cute little style, my little plaits and all. Yeah, this is very cute. Then I want two messy baby hairs. I didn't want my baby hairs to be defined, so you know, messy baby hairs all the way. Like, why can I talk? But yeah, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would like to thank Cheetah Beauty here for sponsoring this video. The links to the hair will be in the description box, so whether there's a discount code, I am not sure, but if there is one, it will be down below in the description box. The link to everything, the link to the store, the link to the hair itself, everything will be down in the description box. But yeah, this is the end. Thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.